Bring your kids to work day, right? Sarah, honey, please settle down. Settle down. Daddy's working.
Alexander Smith, your time in this realm has come to an end.
No,
I am the Grim Reaper, and I am here to... I am very sorry. Bring your kids to work day, am I right? No death today.